Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Ohio State Police Department. Around 4:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a disease has been found in Cincinnati, Ohio. Since this is just one case, all residents of the United States can go to work, business and stay home. It is unknown what is the name of the disease is, but all residents of Cincinnati are advised to wear a mask when in public. Stay tuned for more information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The new disease, now known as the Labor Day virus, has spread across America. America will now be on lockdown. Nobody will be allowed to enter or leave the country. If anyone breaches the blockade will be arrested. Symptoms of this disease include fever or chills, cough, shortness of breath or difficulty breathing, fatigue, muscle or body aches, headache, new loss of taste or smell, sore throat, congestion or runny nose, nausea or vomiting, diarrhea. If you are getting one of these symptoms, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, and the Centers for Disease Control. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Riots has currently occurred in the state of Ohio. All residents are to stay inside. Do not participate in the riots. You will be arrested. I repeat, riots are currently occurring in the state of Ohio. All residents must stay inside. Do not participate in the riot. You'll be arrested. Stay tuned for more information on the situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Ohio State Police Department and the Centers for Disease Control. The Labor Day virus has spread across America. So currently, we're gonna place everything under lockdown. No one should enter or leave, or if America. If you ever breach America's blockade, you will be arrested and shot down on sight.
Your pillow talk's a little rusty. I'm ready.
A massive state of curfew is in effect, lasting from 9 p.m. from 6 p.m. the following morning. Remember to practice proper hygiene. Wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and warm water after combating germs. After you go outside, stay away from others if you are sick. Stay tuned for more information on this situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Cases of the Labor Day virus has been reported across America and some parts of Canada. Please stand by for a message from the New York Police Department.
Hello, this is the New York Police Department speaking. It has been noted that the Labor Day virus has spread across America and some parts of Canada, as well. This disease has been spreading unusually rapidly. A massive state of curfew is in effect, lasting from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. the following morning. In addition, citizens must remain inside while others investigate. Remember to practice proper hygiene. Wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and warm water after effectively combating germs. After you go outside, stay away from others. If you are sick, stay tuned to local media outlets for more information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Ohio State Police Department. Due to the virus now I'll be known as Labor Day virus, he's currently spread across America, and some parts of Canada as well. At this time there is no cure for the disease. It has been noted that this can affect a person's person to person. If you absolutely need to go outside, wear protective gear such as rebel gloves, mask, and a long sleeve shirt. Wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and warm water after combating germs after you go outside. Stay away from others if you are sick. Stay tuned for more information on the situation.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures and the EAS operating handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States or his designated representative will speak on the air shortly. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. The President of the United States or one of his designated representative will be speaking on the air shortly. Stand by. Stand by.
The following message is transmitted at the request of myself, the United States government, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, and National Weather Service and Centers for Disease Control. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please listen closely. Do not turn off your TV at this time, as this is giving you help and is vital to your safety. It appears that nuclear bombs have been reported and placed all across America. I'm sorry to say this, but our world is coming to an end. I repeat, our world is coming to an end. Nuclear bombs was placed by one of the people infected with this virus. It has been figured out that all the bombs will lead to all the states. The bomb squad will have to be sent out, but this is the end. The government, thank you for your cooperation. During this life-threatening emergency, we will play the national anthem. May God bless America. May God bless you all.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
This is an emergency action termination. A cure has been reported for the Labor Day virus. It is known as the Labor Day virus shot, also known as the Labor Day vaccination. All residents of the United States are advised to get this vaccination as it gets younger and older. It is also noted that this pathogen was spreading unusually rapidly. Get the vaccination at cdc.gov/the Labor Day vaccination. We will now switch to regular programming. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The Centers for Disease Control has just reported that the Labor Day virus vaccination is not working. Also, NASA has stated that the moon was red. Please do the following actions. Close and lock all windows and doors, turn off all heating and air conditioning units, close all fireplace dampers and seal any cracks with tape, damp clothing or damp towels. Use arm protection by all means necessary. Stay tuned for more information on the situation.
Breaking news. It has been figured out that the virus's vaccination has not worked. That they were last seen rioting. The Labor Day vaccine is not working. So the moon is now red. That they were last seen like that. Where they have red skin and they look hideous and ugly. They also have been noted as little kids and have independent shirts. They were last seen wearing a red shirt, a blue pants, and their skin was red. They were last seen also illegally Trump supporting. It was last seen looking at the moon. Oh my God. Ah! No!
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please listen closely as this is vital for your safety. Our world is coming to an end at around 11 p.m. The blood moon has been killing everyone in the state of Ohio, and later it will kill the United States and the world. The United States government has already died from this situation. There's no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. I repeat, go into panic mode. Do whatever makes you happy. Gather your family, friends, and loved ones, and embrace for the end. This is Moon now sign off with our national anthem. May God bless the United States, and may God bless you all.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Really? Yeah, this is constant.
Hey guys, it's me, Fire Alarm Dude. I just woke up and currently so this EAS scenario is fake. It does not exist. It is never supposed to exist. Yeah. Also, do not play the tones over the air. You will get arrested. I'm not joking. So now, well, this is Fire Alarm Dude signing off.